She loves me. Picking like a just dead wilted flower. She loves me not. She loves me not. Such a pretty sunset. Ugh, there's pee on the ground. People are like, oh, I thought he was talking about real pee. And then I pee on the ground. Oh, that was really funny.
Beatboxing with pudding in my mouth. It's a good
Beatboxing for people with pudding in my mouth.
It's just going everywhere. Don't just don't spit it all over them. You just do it once. Just and then cry and run away.
Look, I get nervous.
My teachers were right. I'll never be successful. Just cry. I should have gone to college.
I say that immediately. I should have gone to college. My parents were right. I'm a failure. My grandma used to pee in my bed when I was a kid, and I'd wake up with pee all over me. Grandma. Like, what if it legitimately wasn't me who peed the bed?
Oh my goodness.
It was my grandma pee. Everyone just like, yeah, grandma peed your bed. But it was actually her. She would sneak in and and she spanks me for doing it.
What flavor would you like? Oh, I'll have the leukemia lemon, please.
You got the Alzheimer's apple? That's what he got. He didn't hear me. He had the hard of hearing Heath bar. What did you say? The non-Hodgkin's lymphoma Heath bar? A what?
Brownie fudge delight.
Brownie fudge delight?
Yeah.
You just go in the bathroom and crap in a cone? How about you go in the back and let me do that to a customer that comes in? I'll have the adrenocortical carcinoma caramel, please. I'll have what he's having. So, yeah, that sounds good. All right, Chris, put the camera on me. Now turn right. Now do a U-turn. All right, hurry up. Parallel park, recording me. Keep the camera on me, dude. All right, now parallel park in there. Dude, you're too close. You're going to hit him. Yeah, I'm not paying you for the day, dude.
Do you want another wing?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, Megan taught me that.
Thanks, Megan. Shout out to Megan. It's toe licking good. Thanks, Chris. It's your toe licking. I lick your toes. Hey, look. No, at my toe. Like, they clearly didn't like look that direction. They're like, gotcha, you thought I was pointing. They're like, no, I looked straight at your foot.
Hey, look.
Look. No, that direction, not at my butt. Thank you, everybody, for coming to my open house. I hope you enjoyed it. It is my first home that I've ever bought. It's my first and only home that I've ever bought. Thank you for coming. Cole, you are such a sweetheart.
Oh, really? Thank you. I learned from you, Ross.
I've never met anyone so sweet in my entire life.
No.
This guy. What a great guy. Hey, what about me? Am I a great guy?
You are a great guy. Man, I was waiting to say that.
I was waiting for you to say that too.
I was waiting for you to ask me to say that.
Look, he's smiling. All right, go ahead. Chris sees the cop and just stays there. He's like, oh, cool, cop. He's like, I'm not leaving until he arrests me or runs me over.
That's what I was thinking.
I don't know if I zoomed in far enough, but he was laughing inside his car. Dude, you're walking like ridiculously slow. It's so funny. Dude. You're walking like an infant crossing the road. Going like half a mile an hour.
Oh my goodness.
Throwing my gavel at people's face. You said ow before it hit you.
This parking lot's always been just as full every time.
Just as full?
Yeah.
Man, you're optimistic. Is the parking lot all the way empty, or is it just as full?
It's just as full.
Cole says just as full. You're the most optimistic person I've ever met in my life. She's so cute. Oh my God, she's so adorable. No, the pigeon. She's like, this dog's eye is like in the completely wrong spot. It's like looking behind it. Its other eye, its nose is the same thing as his eye. It's like a weirdly placed eyeballs. It's like a hammerhead shark, but like a hammerhead dog. Look, dude, and that's like its sniffer that has 3 nostrils. It looks like a lizard now when I'm looking at it, doesn't it? They have a little hole for the tent. Zoom into it, did you get it?
Yeah. Pull up, talk to him.
Does it help you see better?
That was hilarious.
Yeah, it's genius. That's what I should do here. Just a circle for my head to look out of. It started raining yesterday in the afternoon, so we had to quit filming. Due to unforeseen circumcisions, we had to stop recording. Due to unforeskin circumcisions, we had to stop recording.
That's the tannest man in the world.
Oh, look at that cigar, dude. His lungs are just as tan as his body.
Oh, I thought you were like saying that guy, his whole body, like look at him, he looks like a cigar.
He does look like a cigar. Look at that walking cigar. It's Steven's cigar.
Steven's cigar. Steven's cigar.
Steven's cigar.